Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 171 Forgham Road in Greece. A stunning Cape Cod filled with charm. So let's take a tour. This is charming Cape Cod living with a stunning living room with crown molding, a wood-burning fireplace, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to a white and bright eat-in kitchen with stainless steel appliances. The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors, including a master and a full bathroom. A finished lower level provides great additional living space with an activity room and a separate office. While the upstairs features an expansive 3rd bedroom or potential master suite. The outdoor entertainment space is just amazing, with a covered entryway, expansive patio, and a fully fenced-in backyard. Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 171 Forgham Road in Greece. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!